Don't let bad sleep hold you hostage, folks.
The founder of hostage tape.
I'm sure many people watching and listening are going, why the hell would you name it hostage tape?
It is mouth tape that improves your breathing, your sleep gets better.
I had a rock bottom moment in my life, and I pushed my wife out of the bedroom for years because I snored like a chainsaw.
But also, they have been featured on Joe Rogan. They're on some of the biggest podcasts.
He's like, I love hostage tape because it makes me laugh. He goes, I get it. I get the funness behind it, and I like that.
Not only will we teach you how to feel better, but we're also going to steal some secrets and get some tips on how to build an incredible brand.
Did I know it was going to be this big? No. Did I plan for it to be this big? Absolutely.
Today, my guest in the A Game podcast, Alex Neist. Thank you for being here, sir.